Hi, this is Mr. Miller and welcome to video 3A. This is a very short video about combining like terms. We're at the professional level though, so if you got this, you are really, really good at combining like terms. All right, we just got a few examples to do. But first, I want to remind you of what like terms are. Like terms are terms that have the same variable parts. For instance, down here in this row of blue expressions, they all have a d squared times y. They have the same variables and the same exponents on the variables. Those are like terms. So we've got to find these kind of like terms and combine them. So, all right, we're going to do 6 examples, and then we're done with this. So on this first one, looks like we have a couple different terms. We have terms with y squareds. And we have terms with just x's. So those are the terms we can combine. So 2y squared plus another 2y squared would be 4y squared. The exponent doesn't change. We're just adding 2 of something with 2 more of it. We get 4 of whatever it was. And then we have 3x minus 6x. Remember, this minus goes with the 6. That would be minus 3x. Okay. This one's a little crazier. We have terms with an x squared times a y cubed. We just look for other terms with x squared times y cubed. There are 2 of them. So when I combine those, 5 plus 5 would make 10 of those. Then we have a couple x squared terms. We have 6x squared and another 6x squared would be 12x squared. So having more than one variable and having different powers really doesn't make it any harder. We just got to see which ones are like each other. Here we have some u terms. 4u and 6u would be 10u. And then we have some u times v terms. Minus 8 minus 4 more would be minus 12u times v. All right, on this one, we have an a cubed times b cubed. We have another one of those. So we have 2 minus 7, which would be negative 5, a cubed, b cubed. And then we have a 4a and a minus 3a. We can combine those. That's plus 1a, or just plus a. All right, on this one, we have several different things. So one at a time, we have y squareds. So when we combine those, we get 5y squared. We got some x terms. 7x minus 7x, that's just 0x. We don't have to write that. Those cancel each other. We have a couple constant terms, negative 8 and negative 4. So that'd just be minus 12. 5y squared minus 12. All right, last one. We have some x terms. We have 2 of those. 6x minus 1x would be 5x. These are different. We just have x times y. Here's another one of those. So minus 6xy minus another 2xy would be minus 8xy. And then lastly, we have these kind of x times y to the 4th terms. Minus 2 minus another 2 is minus 4x y to the 4th. So if this is easy for you, that means you reach the professional level. Like I said, you are getting really good at combining like terms. Here's some to practice on. You can do those and show your teacher that you understand it, and they'll give you some feedback on it. All right, see you next time.